Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I'll be showing you how to install a secure gateway bypass plug on any 2018 and up Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio. Starting in 2018, Fiat Chrysler introduced a secure gateway module that they started installing in their cars. This made it very difficult to be able to do DIY work. But luckily, in the mod market, this plug was made to be able to bypass the module so that you can work on your own car. So let's get started. I will be using this secure gateway bypass. As you see, it has a big port and a smaller port. I picked this up at Euro Compulsion, and I will have a link in the description and comments below. First, we will want to remove the battery access cover in the trunk of the car and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Just push the trigger on the quick release and slide it off and set it aside. Make sure that you do not close the trunk without the power. Okay, so the secure gateway module is next to the steering column into the dash. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but you'll be able to see it whenever you look under the steering wheel. You can see there's the large connector up top and the smaller connector underneath. You want to reach your hand in there and then grab the first connector, and you'll feel a tab that you'll be able to pinch the connector and slide it out from the gateway module. Once both connectors are pulled out, you'll see that one is larger than the other. Here's a better look at the tab. I was saying that you need to pinch to be able to release it from the module. So now we'll take our secure gateway bypass plug and we'll slide in the connectors. Starting with the large one, line it up with the port. And it can take a little time since you'll pretty much have one hand to be able to connect it. Make sure it's slid all the way in and the tab clicks. And then insert the smaller connector, line it up with the port, slide it in until you hear it click. Once you have it connected, just tuck it back into the wiring into your dash, leave it sitting aside. Next, I'm removing, I have an LED bar headband that I stuck in here to be able to see all the connectors. Be sure to remove that if you do the same thing, and then fold the foam flaps back closed again. This will help with sound dampening. Okay, and then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Make sure it's clicked in. And then put the battery access cover back on. Then lock it in. And press your foot on the brake and start the engine. Since we disconnected the battery terminal, you'll see a bunch of error codes show up on your instrument cluster. Don't panic, I'll show you how you can reset this so that they go away. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left till it's full lock, then turn it all the way to the right till it's full lock. And then give it one turn back to the center position. Then turn off the car. Wait till you see the parking icon and the mileage disappear. Once it does that, put your foot on the brake again and start the car. And now you should be able to see that all the error codes have gone away. And that's how you install the secure gateway bypass on your Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio. This is a fairly simple installation and no tools are required. If your Alfa Romeo is a 2018 or newer, this tool is a must-have for many modifications and DIY projects. You will also need this for tools such as multi-ECU scan to be able to reset oil changes and other settings. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Be notified for new videos. Hit the bell icon. Thank you. Stay safe and God bless.